Okay, children, we are here again. I have new tricky words for you. Let's start. Well, the objective for today is to learn new tricky words, and the second objective for this class is to practice vocabulary words. Okay, let's see. Oh, what are tricky words? Tricky words are awesome words because they have a different way of writing, but the same way of pronunciation. And here I have the word buy is number one. It's the first tricky word, buy. I go to school by bus. Yo voy en bus. I go to school by bus. Okay, let's see. That means this is the transport mean that you use. It is used with the word bus. I go to school by bus, or I go to the office by taxi, or I go to United States by plane. Very good. Now let's see the next word. The next word is old. My grandpa is old. My sister Anna is little. Word number 3 is little. Little. My sister Anna is little. And let's start with the words that represent the sound we are learning. Do you remember the last class that we were learning the sound? Here we have the vibration of the vocal cords, the, and there is one that is not vibrating, is like this one. Okay, very good. So now let's see. The word three, three, three. I have 3 brothers. Can you tell me if this is a voiced sound or a voiceless or unvoiced? ¿Este suena o no suena? ¿Hace vibrar las cuerdas vocales aquí? 3, 3. This is unvoiced sound. I have 3 brothers. Let's see the next example. The moth flies around the bulb. Moth, moth, moth. Is this sound vibrating here? Moth. Oh, no, no, no. It is not vibrating, so that means it is unvoiced sound. The moth flies around the bulb. The next one, thunder, thunder. Thunder is the noise that follows the lightning. Thunder is the noise that follows the lightning. Okay, thunder is the next word we are reviewing with the sound th. Thunder, th, thunder, thunder. Is this voiced or unvoiced sound? Yes, very good. This is voice sound. Here you can feel the vibration. Thunder, thunder. Here you can feel the movement of your vocal cords. Let's continue with the next example. My uncle Charlie is thin, 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 thin. Okay, now what are you going to do? You are going to make a practical exercises in the worksheet that you will have in your agenda. So please, first of all, write your name, then write the date, trace the letters, copy the words, and then you are going to draw and color according to the sentence that is inside your worksheet. Okay? And then you file this worksheet in your folder. It is not necessary to put it inside CISO app. So it is not necessary to upload. No. Okay, so now that you already know what you have to do, go and work. Bye. I love you so much.